Hello, Team 6-1 Social Studies students. This is Mr. Bush, and this is a screencast with information from Thursday, January 28th. A reminder to parents and students that Friday, January 29th is a non-school day for students. Therefore, there is no assignments in my folders for Friday. So as we go into Thursday's information, this week's folder again is that pinkish colored China's Geography and First Dynasties. As students go into Thursday's folder, which is the blue folder, they will find there a quick video that is both a review and a preview of what we've been talking about this week, the dynastic cycle and the mandate of heaven. So students will open that up in a new tab. It will take them to the textbook. Students will open up that tab by clicking on the blue YouTube icon, and students will watch this 3-minute video.
The first Chinese dynasty that history tells us about was the Shang, whose kingdom was in the North China Plain. They stayed in power for more than 600 years, but then, like most rulers, they finally lost power.
So this video will go in and it will talk about more about the Zhou dynasty, who took over for the Shang. So after students watch this video, they will go back to their reading guides for this week. So reading guides are located in Tuesday's folder, which is the yellow folder, entitled The First Dynasties of China. Reading guides look like this. So what we did as a class today was we did the final 3 questions of this reading guide to kind of get a general understanding of the Zhou dynasty. So we talked about the majority of the Zhou people. We talked about who had most power in Chinese families during ancient history, and 3 technological advances of the Zhou dynasty. So what I did then was allowed students to finish up their reading guides. If they hadn't completed them yet, submit them in Schoology. Make sure that you're submitting your reading guide in Schoology. And then the last thing this week for students was the quick quiz, which is based on the videos in the reading guide from this week. So students will find that again in Thursday's folder. So we'll go back to Thursday's folder, which is the blue color folder. It's called Quick Quiz. And when students open that up, there are 5 questions that go with this quick quiz. Give it a second. Students will answer those questions. They have 2 attempts at these 5 questions, and I will take the highest grade for this week. So once again, if you have any questions tonight or anything else that needs addressed, let me know, and I'll be happy to answer them via email. I hope you enjoy a nice 3-day weekend, and I will talk to everybody soon. Bye, everybody.